Still raining, and poor chicks' cages are all very, very wet. Who's here? Hi. Look who's in Juby's cage. We have to do this because the chicks' cages and the chicks are very, very wet. Hey, don't make a mess, guys. I know you don't like to be here because it's like raining really hard on and off as it's a tropical storm. So that's why we had to do that. Hi. Yubi. Yubi, 怎么办, huh? Huh? The chicks took over your cage. Because it's raining. So, yeah. So you took over Autumn's cage, and where's Autumn? Autumn! Uh-oh, you have no place to go. Oh, the chicks took over your cage. What are you gonna do, Autumn? Oh, 2 more days of storm. Hi, Birdie. You're in Juby's cage. Thank you, Juby, for sharing your cage. Yeah. It's a silly bird. Thank you, Autumn, for giving Juby your cage. Who's a good birdie? Who's a good birdie? Thank you. Good girl. 啊，怎么办？下雨。Our chicks are all wet. What you got there? Oh, you say pasta? Yummy, huh? You have pasta? Who's a pretty, pretty bird? Hi. Hi, Autumn. It's a pretty bird. Hi, Kobe. You put it back? Who's a pretty bird? Hi. Hi, Autumn. That's a camera. Say cheese. Cheese. Good birdie. Where's the chickies? Hi, chickies. How are you? 你们在找什么啦? What are you looking for? This is your new cage for a while, huh? Because it's flooded outside. Okay? Moki Moki, where's the Moki bird? You like your new cage? Hey, too messy. Yubi, what are you doing? Here's the crazy bird over here. Hi. What are you doing? Huh? Why are you destroying the box? You're a silly girl. Hi. What you doing? Huh? Hi. It's a baby bird. Uh-oh, bird go crazy. Oh. And the chickens are making a mess too. Hi. Juby, you're making a mess. What you doing? It's a silly bird. Hi. Say hi, Mommy. Hi, good girl. It's a crazy bird. Okay. Hi. Here's a bird. Where's Kobe bird? Hi. Hi, Kobe. You're the best bird ever. Hi. Hi, Kobe. Hi. Like your bagel? Hi. Bye-bye. You're a good birdie. Juby, what are you doing? Good job, birdie. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Where's the bird? Bye-bye. Here is our crazy birds.